bit different today. I was at the Design Museum recently and I saw this cute little kit. And it's the ancient art of Kinsugi. Now, I've heard of it, but I've never tried it. If you haven't heard of Kinsugi, it's a Japanese ancient art of fixing broken china with gold. So we're gonna open this kit together and have a little go ourselves. So we have the adhesive, brush, some stirrers, ooh, some gold, 2 pots. Not sure what that is. We've got some gloves. The most important thing is the broken crockery. Give me one moment. I'm gonna use this cute little plate. I've got a mallet and I've got a cover because I'm gonna smash it up. Oh. I don't know how to do it. That'll do, won't it? Okay, so I've got to make sure I know how it goes back together. So like that, and like that. Okay, so I know how it goes. Right, air out the tube. Okay. Mix it in. Okay, so it says apply generous layer. Generous layer on one side of the crack. Leave for a minute or two and then press both parts together. Oh, it says, and add a tiny amount of powder. This is going to be a good one. Read the instructions. I can't even open this. It says tiny, but you know, whatever. There we go. That makes sense. It makes total sense. Okay, so let's do this again. Oh wow, that's really cute. So generous layer on one side of the crack. Leave it for a minute or two, then press both parts together. Apply with the brush a generous layer of gold dust when the glue is almost dry. Okay, so I know. I'm going to go with that. Oh my god, it's so cute. But I might be having a new hobby this winter. That looks so good. Look how it's raised. I don't know what you do. You just... I haven't got any missing parts, so I don't need the modelling glue. Fill the space with modelling glue. Yeah, so I just literally hold it. Yeah, so you have to be patient. That last few minutes. Let's add that. Now I'm getting messy. This is really therapeutic. I know it's my first go, but I could really get into this. And there's the last piece. And there we have it. Super simple, and it really is effective. Well, I absolutely loved that. How cute is this? So for £30, definitely worth it. And there is a lot of product left in there to do a few more projects. If you like this content and you want to see more videos like this, drop me a comment below. Have a good day.